Hi everyone, in front of me I've got an OnePlus 15R and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So let's start with opening the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. So if you've got the 3-button navigation, simply tap on the button with the square icon or 3 bars icon. And if you've got the gesture, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold your finger somewhere here like that. And here we've got the recents. So basically all you have to do now is to simply tap on close. Now we can go back, and we just got back to the recents, and sometimes for some reason your device will leave one of the apps opened, but all you have to do then is to simply swipe it up like that to turn it off manually. And now we can check here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.